Today's video I'm showing you how to disconnect the charging cable from your Tesla. You may have purchased one recently and you've noticed after charging it's quite hard to remove the charger. In fact, you shouldn't pull it until you followed these instructions. So this is kind of like a safety mechanism. So imagine you're charging your Tesla and someone just comes and pulls the charger out and plugs it into their car. It's a way to stop that from happening. So your car firstly needs to be unlocked. So just unlock the car first. The second thing that you need to do on the app here, on the Tesla app, you have to click the charging shortcut, which you can see here, and there should be a button. It's hard to see because of my screen protector, but it should say unlock charge port. Once you've pressed that button, you're free to just remove the charging cable from your Tesla. So just to summarize, your car needs to be unlocked, then you go to the charge settings, and there's an option there for you to unlock charge port. So once you've done that, you can take the charging cable out.